So here we have new question, that is GATE 2019 Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics. Here the question is carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen sulfide, means CO plus H2S, at a constant temperature of 800 Kelvin and a constant pressure of 2 bar as. Remember this. Here it is a constant pressure 2 bar and the temperature is 800 Kelvin. The reaction is given CO plus H2S gives you COS plus H2, right? The Gibbs energy of the reaction is given, delta G of the reaction, that is 2297 2.3 joule per mole, and universal gas constant R 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Both the reactants and products can assumed to be ideal gases. Remember this, it is given as it is an ideal gas. If initially only 4 mole of H2S and 1 mole of CO are present, 4 mole of H2S, remember this, 4 mole of H2S and 1 mole of CO are present initially, right? Here you can see it is 1 mole CO reacts with 1 mole H2S and gives us 1 mole COS plus 1 mole H2, but we have present initially we have 4 mole H2S and 1 mole CO are present. The extent of reaction at equilibrium is, yani what will be the extent of reaction of this question, right? इस इक्वेशन के लिए हमें what will be the extent of reaction. So here we start now the solution. First, we know that delta G is equal to minus RT ln K. You remember this formula? Delta G, Gibbs energy, is equal to minus RT ln K. And we know we have given delta G, we have given T. So we will put the values of these. So here this is the values 2297 2.3, it will be joule per mole, right? Here also joule per mole Kelvin into 800 Kelvin, Kelvin to Kelvin will be cancelled out, so unit will be 8.314 joule per mole into ln K, right? Here it is also a joule per mole, I forgot to write this, sorry. So if you further, if we calculate this, the answer will be minus 3.453 is equal to ln K. You can take exponential of minus 3.453, the answer will be K is equal to 0.0316. Now here it is a equilibrium constant, right? हमारे पास क्या आ गया, equilibrium constant आ गया. अब ये equilibrium constant क्या हुआ है? It can be Ky, Kp or other thing, but remember this, when we get calculated delta G from minus RT ln K, most probably it will be a Kp, right, on the basis of pressure, right? Remember this. Next, let extent of reaction is epsilon. Extent of reaction is epsilon. Next, first we need to calculate the mole fraction of H2S in terms of extent of reaction. How we can get it? We will get from YH2S is equal to, now see this, Y is equal to YH2S is equal to 4. 4 is the initial mole of H2S. Remember the question, initial mole of H2S is 4. From where we get minus sign? Minus sign is the stoichiometry of H2S. If you see in the equation, the stoichiometry of the equation is 1, but it is the side of reactant. H2S is a reactant, so we take minus sign into zeta. Suppose the coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient, suppose 2, then we write this 4 minus 2 zeta, but here we write 4 minus zeta since it is a only one stoichiometric coefficient upon, you know very well what is the mole fraction, moles upon H2S upon total moles. Now see that what will be the total moles here. Total moles is 4 mole H2S, and CO is the 1 mole. You remember the question? You can see here we have 4 mole 4 mole H2S and 1 mole CO, right? 4 plus 1 is the total moles, 5 moles, minus, remember this, uh, here we write extent of reaction also, but what will be the how we can write? Here you can see stoichiometry of H2 is 1, stoichiometry of CO is 1, so product side stoichiometry will be 1 plus 1 is 2, and stoichiometry of reactant side 1 plus 1 also 2, so 2 minus 2 will be 0, 0 into zeta will be 0, so I only write 4 minus, here is the question, 4 minus zeta upon 5, so total moles I got only 5. Next, mole fraction of CO, similarly 1, because it is on the reactant side, so I will get minus sign, 1 minus zeta upon 5. Okay, denominator will be same for all the components. Take next, mole fraction of COS. Now it is a product side, right? If it is a product side, then it should be a positive, but you know that the initially COS is not present, it not make, so 0 plus zeta we will write, so directly I can write it is zeta, sorry I am saying zeta, it is epsilon, 0 plus epsilon upon 5, so it will be epsilon upon 5. Again, mole fraction of H2, YH2 is equal to epsilon upon 5, right? Next, अब equation, we know that equation we have given CO plus H2S gives you COS plus H2, right? How we can write this? K p to the power minus nu is the coefficient, now how can write this nu? Nu is written as CO plus H2S gives you COS plus H2, so nu will be written as 1 plus 1 on the product side minus 1 plus 1 on the reactant side, so it is 0 in this case, right? General equation we can write this like this. Why we write this, right? There is a question, हमने ऐसा क्यों लिखा है कि p to the power minus nu is equal to y COS, since if you take this here, p will be this side, kp will be write it as kp is equal to pcos into pH2 upon pco plus pH2s, where p is a small p, that is a partial pressure, so we will write is mole fraction into total pressure. If you take this, then you get p from outside, and you can take p on the left side with the k is equal to p to the power minus nu, then you will get next nu will be 0, we can put nu, ठीक है? Now equilibrium constant is k is equal to CYCOS into YH2 upon YCO into YH2S. Next, now put the value of these things, YCOS, YCO and all these, we have we put the values, right? Next, is like this. Next, putting the value of k, what we have calculated earlier, 0.0316 is the k, so we will get this value again. Next, you can solve it, write this like this, इजिली भी आप लोग इसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते थे. वी कैन डू वन थिंग, 0.0316 कैन डिवाइड दिस एप्सिलॉन स्क्वायर, देन 1 अपॉन 0.0316, ऑलमोस्ट यू विल गेट 10, अराउंड 10 point something, then you will put the value here, मतलब अगर ये 0.03 होता तो 30, so you will get this right? Now, further, sorry, now zeta. Uh, we can calculate from the formula is x is equal to minus p plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. From this we get our zeta is, final answer will be zeta is equal to 0.288, right? Thanks for watching, and please make sure uh, make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.